our developers released a new feature that you can use to show an emergency bar on your websites. This is in addition to the modal pop-up that a lot of you guys have already started using for the COVID announcements. So in order to use the new one, you're going to go down to your site and log in. And then you're going to go into your site settings, or your site configuration, and hit Site Settings. Change your option to All Settings. Type in Emergency, and you're going to see this option for Show Emergency Alert Notification. You have the option to change it to a red background or to a color that matches your theme. So the first I'm going to show you is the red background. Hit Save. Click out of your settings. You're going to see this new bar up here. Turn edit mode on. And then you can put whatever information you want in here. So this is a test of the emergency system. Make sure to check for typos there. Hit save. Turn edit mode off. And you'll see that this is now throughout the site. If you want to use one that's a little bit less red, you can go back in here and change it to your theme color background, and it will use the color that you'll see throughout some other features on your site. This one should change to blue, so you'll see that's on here now. So whatever you want to use to grab the attention of the people that need to see these notifications. The other thing you can do is you can turn on your edit modal pop-up on this page. So you can put the information in here. This is a test. If you want it just to show up on that page, do it just for the page option. If you want every visitor to see it, regardless of which page they enter your website on, click the Edit Global modal, and that will show up on every single page throughout the site. If you needed any other help or have any questions, please contact our support@greatdentalwebsites.com, or give us a call, 720-399-7071. Thank you.